If you're thinking about shopping from Sophia and Grace Savannah, you may want to pause before hitting that checkout button because this store raises a few questions buyers should carefully consider. Sophia and Grace Savannah presents itself as a family-owned boutique offering major discounts through a closing or moving sale, which can sound appealing at first glance. The website uses emotional branding and a personal story to build trust, but there appears to be limited verifiable business history available publicly, which may leave some shoppers wanting more transparency. Another detail that stands out is the heavy urgency messaging, with sale banners and limited-time offers designed to encourage fast decisions. While discounts can be real, it becomes harder to judge true value when original pricing is unclear or inflated. Product images on the site look polished and stylish, but some customers online have reported receiving items that did not fully match expectations in quality, fabric, or fit compared to what was shown. This doesn't automatically mean every order is bad, but it does suggest inconsistent sourcing may be possible. The store also appears to follow a model similar to many dropshipping style brands, where products are supplied by third-party manufacturers and rebranded for resale. That can sometimes mean longer shipping times, variable quality control, and slower customer service responses. Another point buyers should check carefully is the return policy, as some similar stores require customers to pay international return shipping costs, which can make refunds less practical. Support availability also seems limited based on user feedback, with delayed responses mentioned in some cases. Overall, Sophia and Grace Savannah may not necessarily be a scam, but it does show several warning signs commonly seen with newer online boutiques using aggressive sale tactics and outsourced fulfillment. If you decide to order, use a secure payment method. Read the return terms carefully and start with a small purchase rather than a large order. Being cautious here could save you money, time, and frustration later.